Good morning, Sampark. Now I start my presentation. Personal info. My name is Ritu Arora. Spouse expired. Children, one son. Uh, he is in first year of engineering in computer science. Birthplace, Nagpur. Activity, topic of interest, business network movies. Professional info, business name Ritu's Organic, year of business 3 years, business description, eat healthy to stay healthy. Previous job as telecounselor in education sector, education qualification MCOM. Skills, telesales, educational counseling, happy to join with Sampark and meeting new people. Social network, clubs, organization working as telecounselor for NMIMS, part of many organized business promotion. Goals to provide chemical-free products its benefits, its availability, all the above leading to sales and profit. Accomplishments satisfied by my product. Customers type would like to have are mostly retail individuals who are buyers of organic groceries, most individual decision making makers at home who buy the groceries and is health conscious. My three best customers are health conscious people. Example of reference type that works well for me are satisfied people who handle the organic groceries, food provide the best references. My best six contacts pair complementing business partners are supermarket who want to diversify into organic food, uh, so stand alone stores dealing in health products. Thanks. अभी एक वीडियो और चलेगा, वो जरूर देखेगा. साउंड नहीं है गुरप्रीत इसमें.